welcome to the 29th Annual World Travel Awards Africa and Indian Ocean Gala Ceremony. It is an honor for World Travel Awards to welcome you to the magnificent city of Nairobi and its landmark.
It is my honor to welcome you to the World Travel Awards Africa and Indian Ocean Gala Ceremony 2022. Tonight, the stars of the travel, tourism and hospitality industries are all here aligned on a light like no other.
This is the first time in my history of leadership at KICC that we are actually hosting an event instead of hosting it for somebody else. So it is an actual, really achievement that we have gotten this far. And our common goal here and vision tonight is to put Kenya back on the map.
The winner is the Kenyatta International Convention Center, Nairobi, Kenya. Definitely ready to win and collecting the award.
The winner is Nairobi, Kenya. And the winner is Swahili Beach, Kenya.
And the winner is Kenya Airways and Safiri, the in-flight magazine of Kenya Airways.
And may we go higher and not lower in terms of what happens when we all work together. Welcome to KICC and welcome to Kenya. Thank you.
Well done, Nairobi.